Online courses has actually been one of the most accessible way right now in 2024 and beyond to actually learn, especially in the heat of COVID. Online courses has brought to us a way by which we can be to connect, learn, and meet people, grow our career, whatever, upskill, personal development, whatever we want to do, we can actually do it online right now. I mean, with advance of technology and a lot of information is now out there, people can actually stay right from the comfort of their home to actually learn and grow. But one of the questions, or one of the things that I receive a lot from comments or people reach out to me, I'm like, Bright, Alpha, please, can you just tell me what kind of online course should I take? Where can I find these courses? I mean, what can I know? How can I know the kind of online course that is good for me? How can I know what kind of career to choose? I mean, there's a lot of questions like that I get a lot on my IG, on LinkedIn, even on my WhatsApp as well. But I tried to make a video about it because I mean I feel like a lot of persons are in that state as well. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons to ask me, that means there's also thousands of people out there, probably on YouTube, just like the way you found this video as well, looking for, I mean, how did you get started? How can I get started with online courses? What are those online courses? How can I find the right courses? How do I enroll? How do I succeed with it? You know, how do I start a career and all of that? So I think I'll just go straight to the point in this video to actually explain everything I know about online courses, and I mean, to the best of my knowledge, what can actually, you know, how you can actually start and how you should actually see it. I think last year I made a video with my friend Unique, it's on my channel, where I went to visit her, and then we shared a lot in terms of what is online courses and how I think people should approach online courses. I mean, I think you should approach it from the aspect of how you actually approach traditional means of learning, meaning that the way in which you go to class, sit down, and actually be taught by somebody. I think if you approach it from that angle, first of all, you're going to set yourself in the path of greatness, in terms of don't just treat online courses because, I mean, I don't have to go out and then I can treat it like trash. I can treat it any way I want. But I think people should change that ideology. But let's just go why, or stay on topic, or why I'm actually making this video. So the first thing is to actually understand your goal. I think that's the first thing that can actually help you to actually get started in terms of taking any online course or whatever, is to understand your goal. Why am I taking this course? What do I want to achieve by taking this course? So am I looking for a course that wants to help me to upskill, to, you know, obviously that means your goal is to be skill up. Am I looking for a course to actually further my career improvement, help me get better in terms of personal development? So whatever the course, or am I just looking for it to actually start a new career? I mean, there are a lot of people who want to get into tech, for example, and then obviously you have to take courses. Probably you don't have the time, or you are not in a space where you can actually help. You actually need to go to a particular location to learn. Then you just actually have to devote to learning online. So whatever the case may be, is for you to now understand your goal, understand where you are, where am I, what do I want to achieve with this thing. And then I think that is going to lead you to the right path, now finding the platform to learn. So now that you know whatever your goal is, now is to scale up to go into a new career. Let's say, for example, you want to start marketing, because I'm in marketing. Want to start marketing. The next thing is to now learn, where can I be able to find these courses, finding the right places to learn. I remember when I want to start learning, when I wanted to go into digital marketing, the part was to actually go to platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare. I was looking at these platforms. I was like, we love marketing courses, we love digital marketing courses out there. But then I was researching, I did a lot of research in terms of what platforms can I go to learn digital marketing that can teach me much of the things that are direct impact, that I can actually know that, I mean, as I'm learning this thing, it makes sense, I can implement them. I think those were the things that I found are very difficult, or I found difficult in achieving. And I remember using Hotspot Academy. Hotspot Academy was a platform that I learned a lot from, because, I mean, they were people who were like leading marketing in the US and all of that. So I learned a lot from Hotspot Academy. I took a lot of their courses. I went to Coursera. I took a lot of courses on Coursera. I took Google courses as well. So this was because I actually now had to like find out, what do I want to do? I wanted to learn digital marketing, but digital marketing is broad. What actual digital marketing do I want to focus on? I mean, there's email marketing, there is social media marketing, there's e-commerce, there's a lot of areas in digital marketing. So I said I wanted to do the social media marketing. So I wanted to know how to run ads, I wanted to know how to manage pages, I wanted to know how to obviously create content and all of that. So I think the platform that suits me well was to actually go to Hotspot and go and learn. My friend recommended Hotspot for me. I checked them out. It was very nice. So if, just like me recommending now, if you want to go into marketing, you want to get started marketing, you can actually go to Hotspot Academy. I'm going to put a link in the description. You can actually go and check them out. This is not ad. It's just a place where I learned from. So depending on where you are, I mean, if you want to learn software development, there are a lot of places where you can actually learn. Like there are courses on Udemy by a certain part of individual, a certain group of people that were created courses on Udemy. I also bought courses. I also bought courses of individuals that I actually learned from when I wanted to learn ads. I bought a lot of ad courses as well. So, but I learned majorly from Hotspot as well. So basically, you need to know where you are, what's your goal, the right platform to choose. There's Udemy, there's Coursera, there's Skillshare, there's Allison. I've mentioned a lot. I'm going to put as much platform as I can on the comment section. I mean, on the comment section and also on the description. Now that you found out, you know your goal, you find out what places to learn from. The next thing is to now, enroll, pay. If it's the one that requires pay for it. Don't see all of these things as, oh, it has to be free. No, nothing is free. I mean, I like I mentioned earlier, I pay for some of these courses so I can be able to upskill myself, learn because I know that it has future benefit for me. I mean, paying, even it's not thing that I go to the university. Obviously, I have to pay my school fees. I have to pay departmental fees, buy textbook, whatever. I can't say because, oh, the university has to run it free for me. No, it's not a charity organization. You have to pay. If it requires you to actually go for courses like places like Coursera that you can actually get financial aid, you should go there. Why not apply for financial aid? Get the financial aid. Pay if it's 10%, you actually pay for it because if for the future you're actually I don't know why I keep using the word future, but you actually I feel like the best thing you can actually do for yourself is to actually skill yourself, upskill yourself, get yourself to be a better person, and because you can't take your skill away from you. I think one thing that skill gives you is the fact that skill gives you the assurance that you just know that you can be able to make money. I mean, you can be broke and you know that you are a digital marketer and you can sell these services to people and people are going to pay you for it. So I think that's an advantage that, having a skill is going to do for you. So why not take it? Why not invest in yourself, invest in your future as well? Because upskilling yourself is the best thing you can actually do for yourself. So basically, enroll for it, pay for it if it has to, and then you don't need to now set yourself up for success. What I mean by that is that you don't need to now know that, I need to actually go to a quiet place to learn. If someone who needs to go to a quiet place to learn, if someone who needs music, just make sure that you're actually focused, stay grounded, go to places that motivates you. And motivation stays for life, but be disciplined and be consistent. That's the only way you can actually start and finish a course. You can actually start a course, but finishing a course is actually very difficult because when in the middle, you might feel like it's too long. You still need to learn, obviously, and you need to learn and practice. So you need to actually make sure that you are fully grounded, set yourself up for success. If it has to, make sure that you engage with friends, take that out. Make sure you are meeting up with friends. Maybe join communities. Don't work in isolation. I made a video last day on my channel as well. I said one of the things that is actually very sad that people do is that they work in isolation. If you're in any industry, make sure you have community. That community keeps you grounded. Community gives you up-to-date information. Community helps you to actually, focus. You get friends that you can work with. So I think this is something that you should do. Set yourself up for success. Engage with people. Stay motivated. Try anything that is. Make sure that you start. Make sure you finish it. Make sure you try to always complete any course that you start. It's not easy. It's not as easy as I'm saying. Even till today, I still watch videos of people that are ahead of me in marketing, of people on personal development and all of that. But I make sure that I'm staying grounded. I want to keep learning. I complete anything I set my heart to do. So make sure I try to actually finish whatever I want to do. So make sure you are doing that for yourself. And I think it's going to help you. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to help you to finish. So tell me in the comment section what course you want to start, what you want to learn. I might be able to be of help to maybe help you provide resources or tell you places you can get free resource, join communities that can help you to grow. Make sure you say that in the comment section, and I'll see as much people that I can help in the comment section. I'm going to try to do that. So if you like this video, if you find most of this content that I make amazing, you don't want to miss out on content like this, like the video, subscribe to the channel because a lot of bangers are going to be coming on this channel. and the only way for you to get them is to subscribe, watch them to the end. That's the only way to get ahead. I'm going to make a lot of videos on this channel before the end of the year, pushing you towards 2025, setting you up as a young person. I'm a young person as you too, who just graduated from school and all of that. So you just have to keep pushing. It's not easy, especially if you live in the third world country like Nigeria. Make sure that you actually upskilling yourself so you can be able to get to that global get to global standard. You don't limit yourself to Nigeria, don't limit yourself to the third world country. Make sure that you're putting yourself out there, make sure you're investing a lot in yourself. And I'm actually rooting for you on this channel. I'm going to make video because I want you guys are my community, you guys are my friend. I want you guys to actually grow. I want us to grow together. Me too, I'm also growing as well. I want to see you guys at the top as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel basically, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye.